Class, our Harvest of the Month item is green beans, and we're going to be doing a couple of activities today with green beans. Can someone volunteer with a quiet hand and tell me the Spanish name, which is here? Anna?
Ejote.
The Network for a Healthy California and schools work to engage students in a variety of settings where nutrition education can have the biggest impact on our children's health and food choices: the classroom, cafeteria, home, and community. Harvest of the Month activities linked to California content standards in most curricular areas.
I think that there's a wide exposure for our students at our school. They're able to get a sense of different fruits and vegetables that they may not ordinarily have in their home. They get to actually see them, hold them, and best of all, taste them. Anytime that you can mix food with instruction, you get that much more engagement.
We're going to be doing a test tasting activity where we're going to be comparing raw green beans, cooked green beans, and canned green beans. We're also going to be comparing nutrition facts between the different preparations of those green beans. And then we're going to do a student activity where you will be able to go on the computer and investigate some interesting facts about green beans and their agriculture and the history about green beans.
Taste testing in the classroom gives students a first-hand opportunity to experience the featured produce items. They use their senses to engage them in the learning process and build excitement and interest in eating more fruits and vegetables.
I like doing the taste testing activities because I can taste a whole lot of different fruits that I haven't tasted before.
Today we started with the taste testing activity, and I like to begin all of our Harvest of the Month fruits or vegetables with a taste testing activity because it helps get the students engaged and it helps the students really experience the fruit or the vegetable. Christian, what did you observe about the raw green bean?
Well, on the color, I think it was really light green, and then on the texture it was hard and slightly rough, and the smell, it smelled like any other vegetable. And the sound, it was pop. It sounded like pop, crunchy, and it had a snap to it. And the taste, it tasted bland and juicy.
Okay, class, let's go ahead and continue to compare the nutrition facts of the 3 different types of green beans we tasted. So I'm going to assign you the first 2 questions here. Okay. So you're going to be a detective. You're going to investigate to find it. It's not going to be right out there. Okay.
Student sleuth questions provided in the Educator newsletter engage students in exploring facts about the featured produce, collecting data, and presenting information to classmates. This also allows the opportunity to share more information on the nutritional value of the produce items.
The third activity I did today was the student sleuth, where they are given 4 questions and they go on the computer and investigate. They're like detectives, and they get more interesting facts about the vegetable, fruit, and they also are able to learn about the agriculture, about growing that fruit or vegetable, and they're able to get more interesting facts. After they're done finding the answers for the student sleuth questions, I have those students present it in a creative way, either a PowerPoint or a chart paper, and I have them present to the class, share out what they found and their answers. And I also allow my class to go to the first grade buddies and share it to the first grade buddies as well.
You ever had a green bean?
Students can share how these produce items are used at meal times and how they enjoy eating them for snacks and meals.
You take them out of the package and then you boil them, then eat them.
Cooking in the classroom provides students the skills and practice in preparing foods, so they transfer these skills to the home environment and incorporate the featured produce into their eating plans. The recipes are an easy and student-friendly way to encourage students to eat more fruits and vegetables at home and at school.
My best experience that I've had so far was making a cabbage salad with my class. I was a little weary of having 6-year-olds eat cabbage. I thought they might not like it, but it actually turned out to be kind of a cooking event.
Harvest of the Month's hands-on activities connects to science, mathematics, nutrition, health, and agriculture that can be carried out in the classroom or garden. Gardens also promote social development, community involvement, healthy eating, and physical activity. Mealtime and the child nutrition staff provide an opportunity to support classroom learning. Children make food choices and converse with others. Therefore, mealtime is an important opportunity to expand nutrition education, socialization, and waste management concepts learned in the classroom. Through behavior modeling, children learn that respected adults not only encourage good nutrition among their students, but also practice healthy eating themselves. Child nutrition personnel are part of the educational team in support of the child's learning experience, and using the school cafeteria as a learning laboratory gives the students a chance to practice their skills and the staff the chance to reinforce the classroom education.
Students are much more likely to take something off the cafeteria serving line when they've had the chance to explore it and try it in the classroom.
Harvest of the Month connects the classroom to the home with family newsletters and menu slicks. The family newsletter allows students and their families to share what is being learned in the classroom. The information includes tips on eating more fruits and vegetables, as well as how to select, store, and handle the featured produce and recommendations for physical activity. The menu slicks allow the child nutrition staff an opportunity to send home the monthly school menu, reinforce what students have learned in the classroom, and showcase how they are providing fruits and vegetables to the students.
My family has changed the way that they eat the fruits and vegetables. They're starting to eat more of it.
Working with the retail community extends Harvest of the Month messages and exposes students to places outside of school where fruits and vegetables are available. It also presents expanded opportunities for students to learn about California agriculture. Working with one of the regional Network for a Healthy California retail programs can connect your school with grocery stores or produce managers and further enhance Harvest of the Month.
The Harvest of the Month program has been fantastic, mainly because students at our school, a lot of them don't have experiences with a lot of different fruits and vegetables. They know certain ones, and we have a lot of cultural backgrounds here, so certain kids have certain vegetables or fruits that you normally would have. But when they come to school, they try different things that they've never tried before. Broccoli was another one that they had never tried before. Most of my class, and we really liked it. Cabbage. It was like, ooh, I can't eat that, you know, and then they tasted, oh, I want some more, I want more. And they were just eating it plain without having it in a salad. And then we put it in a salad and they go, oh, it's so much better. So, you know, it really does give them an opportunity to try things that they may have never tried before, and for their parents to actually go to when they go to the store with their parents to try some of these new vegetables and fruits.
When I go grocery shopping with my parents, I ask them to buy lots of vegetables and fruits.
I think when kids are involved in the preparation of the meals, it gives them a better understanding of what well-balanced meals are and what you know, just good nutrition is all about. And these days it's so important because they're so involved in so many activities and sports and, you know, different things that it's very important that they eat well.
Make the most out of Harvest of the Month by gaining support of the entire school community, from the classroom, cafeteria, and school gardens to the faculty, administration, and parents. This support system helps to create a well-rounded program and shows that the adults at the school want to support the students in their goals to make healthy choices.
This is what you'll end up with to use in your salads or to use in your dips.
The Harvest of the Month website enables educators, parents, and the community to access printable materials along with monthly updates. Educators share best practices and link to other related websites.
By providing students with the necessary tools to learn about nutrition and eating healthier, it can enhance their education. And we know that students that you know, have better nutrition can become better learners.
Harvest of the Month lets you easily integrate other resources throughout the program. The following are some resources that are a natural tie. Schools can request or download from the website a free copy of the California School Garden Network's comprehensive guidebook, Gardens for Learning. Farm to School programs provide Harvest of the Month schools connections with local farms for taste testing activities and to provide options in school cafeterias. 4th and 5th grade teachers and after-school programs can also strengthen their activities by visiting the Network for a Healthy California website. Children's Power Play Campaign's School Idea and Resource Kit, and the Community Youth Organization Idea and Resource Kit help skill-building lessons by focusing on fruits, vegetables, and physical activity. Contact your Regional Network Children's Power Play Campaign Coordinator to request materials and support. Using food stamps can help by putting healthier foods like fruits and vegetables on your table. The food students and their families eat each day affects their health for a lifetime. It will determine how they feel today, tomorrow, and in the future.